been in a position where maybe somebody at work or school has spread a false lie about you, maybe portraying you in a negative way? What typically happens from a situation like that? Well, other people may believe it, and they get their own impression of you, and that damages your reputation, doesn't it? So if this happens, what do? Well, first of all, you try to find the source of that false information, the source of the lie. And you try to prove that person a liar. In other words, you kind of let the truth come out, and typically that's what happens. And you become vindicated. You vindicate yourself, which means to clear oneself from any accusations. Well, on a much, much grander scale, what about Jehovah? Not only does he need to be vindicated, but his name also needs to be sanctified. So we all know what happened in the Garden of Eden. We know what Satan did. We realize that he challenged the rightful sovereignty of Jehovah God. Now in our day, he uses false religion, doesn't he? And instead of false